Running a business isn't about working harder. I've seen this time and time again with clients. It's about working smarter, with clarity, structure, and consistency. I'm Clive Enever, business strategist, and I created the Business Wisdom Vault to help business owners do exactly that. The Vault is your space to plan, act, and evaluate. 3 steps that build a strong, sustainable business. Inside, you'll find resources, templates, and practical lessons that simplify decision-making, strengthen your systems, and bring structure to your growth. You'll learn how to create a clear plan for where you're heading and why it matters. Take purposeful action that moves your business forward every week. Evaluate your progress so you can refine, adjust, and stay on track. Each resource connects back to these 3 steps. Nothing here is theory for theory's sake. It's all about practical tools and proven activities for clarity, focus, and results. When you join, you'll also be added to our private Facebook group, a place for meaningful discussion, practical support, and connection with other business owners who value consistency over chaos. You'll also be registered for our member sessions, where we come together to apply what's inside the vault, ask questions, and explore strategy in action. These sessions are designed to help you move from knowing to doing, and from doing to achieving. They're about understanding what makes it happen and how to repeat that success. Whether you're just starting, building, or leveling off, preparing to sell. Whether you're refining your plan, improving your systems, or strengthening your leadership, the Business Wisdom Vault gives you the tools, structure, and guidance to do it with confidence. Because building a successful business isn't about chance. It's about clarity, accountability, and action. If you're ready to build a business that works, not just today, but for the long term, join us inside the Business Wisdom Vault. It's where clarity turns into progress. I'll see you inside.